Tutorial, you'll learn how to create various diagrams in Google Drawings, such as flowcharts, timelines, or hierarchies, where to find the layouts to create the various diagrams, how to change many components that are included, and then how to download that diagram as an image. Therefore, teachers and students can use Google Drawing to create diagrams which they incorporate into Google Docs, Google Slides, sites, and presentations. Here I have a blank Google Drawing. Now, if we want to go to the diagrams, all we go to is Insert, Diagram, and then you can pick from the many different diagram types. So let's pick Relationship, and then how many areas do we want in the relationship? You choose how many, so let's say 4, and then you can either look at all the different colors or select a specific color, like black. So now I put that in here. Once you have inserted it, all you need to do to edit the text is click on it once and then type what you want. Now let's get rid of this one and look at another one. It's the same for all the different diagram types. All you do is select it, choose how many levels, the color, and then insert. And so it's pretty basic how you insert diagrams into Google Drawing and edit them. And then I'll show you an example. Here's some timelines I made, here's a relationship diagram I made, and here's a grid drawing that I made. So let's now download this as an image. All we do is go to Download As in the File tab, and then Download as any image type. I normally do PNG. So now it's downloading as a PNG onto the computer. And this is what it will look like once it downloads. And you can put it into documents, slides, etc.